Stop that. Stop there.
I don't understand. Are you mad?
Not too fast. Put your hands down.
Babe, can you imagine this gate man? Talking to me like, is he mad?
I said put your hands down.
It looks like the assignment that I sent you to execute. As a matter of fact, it's dirtier than I was told.
Yes. Very, very dirty, Michael. Very, very dirty.
You see your life? No, you see your life. See where your life don't land you now. Eh? Come on, spare manager for me. You dey buga, they carry shoulder up. Just pay manager for me. You dey do anyhow because na only you know book pass.
You were rude.
Oh, you dey hear am? I dey rude. You see your life? You dey see my car outside? Did you see it? You don't see my well-furnished apartment where they give me. Eh? I mean the top for company now. Not maybe the top charts. Eh? Just see your life. See where you did. Wait, so babe. You employed a degree holder in business management as a gate man in your house.
Point of correction. I'm not just a degree holder. I finished with a first class.
You dey hear am? Thank God say it come out from my mouth.
Really?
You dey hear am? I no lie.
A first-class degree holder?
Bam.
So, you lied to me about your educational qualification because you were scared I wasn't going to employ you.
Yes, ma. I didn't want to lose the job. I'm sorry, ma. Please forgive me.
Could they raise shoulder up anyhow? They carry shoulder up. See your life. Gatesman. Ordinary gatesman.
You know what? Just go, please. Just go.
They go. You don't belong for here. You dey hear am? They go. You be gatesman, they go. You dey look me. You want beat me?
And I said leave. Just go.
I'm sorry, ma.
Go mind the gates, please leave.
All right. Sorry, ma. The food ready.
Oga, they go. You dey talk say food dey ready. Ordinary gatesman, just pay manager. You dey buga. School now scam oh. Eh? Between me and that guy now. No. Who win? Look at how you use breast. Collect work for your hand. Nah, ordinary gatesman.
Betrayal I feel, just the price I have to pay for being way too loyal, for loving a lie and trusting the cheat.
Yeah, tomorrow.
How does it make you?
Certainly. Yes, like I said, my in-laws are here to pay the bride price of my daughter. Come on. During the grand banquet, and the wedding ceremony, all of you are going to be around. I will shut down the country. And you trust me now. Yes, tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll meet at the club, okay? At the country club. Yeah, tomorrow. What is it? Why are you panting like this?
I've been knocking at her door and she's not opening.
Whose door? Our daughter?
Yes.
Why? Is she sleeping or what?
That I don't know.
Today of all days? Come on. Ijeoma!
She's not responding.
But is she not inside?
Where else? If not her room?
Could she be sleeping or what?
That I don't know.
IJ! Daddy, IJ! Open this door!
Hey, Chimo.
What is happening?
Just pray my daughter is alive. Just pray she's alive.
Today of all days. No, she can't do this. IJ!
Hey, Chimo.
Go and get me Greg.
Greg! Wait.
IJ!
My in-laws, please just bear with us. We're trying to put one or two together. And my husband will soon join you.
Okay, that's okay.
Greg,
Yes, baby.
please come with me.
Don't worry, we are very comfortable. Thank you.
No.
Darling, Greg is here.
Dad, the signs for me.
Yes. Break this door. Break it!
Why would I break my sister's door, Dad?
She's not responding, and our visitors are waiting.
Look. She locked herself in there and refused to open the door.
Mom, are you sure she's inside?
I don't know, but she came to our room this morning and greeted us.
Yes. She came to her room.
Yes.
I said, break this door. What are you waiting for? I said, break it.
What is in the letter? What? Tell me. Read and tell me.
By the time you come across this letter, I might be on the plane or rather reached my destination.
Hey.
I am awfully sorry for taking every member of my family unawares.
Hey.
Especially my lovely dad, whom always wish I get married to Donald, his best friend's son. Dad, Mom, the truth is, I have no love for him.
Hey.
All these years, I was just trying to make my family happy.
Hey.
Especially Dad and Mom. I dated Donald just to satisfy you both. But how will I end up with a man that I have tried to love but is not working out? A man who sees me as nothing but just a connection. A man who will always remind me that we are just doing this for the sake of our family. Dad, I think this is my decision.
Hey.
And it's the best for me. I have gone to a far destination. Please, when I return, take me as your daughter who wants her happiness and peace of mind. Please, wish me all the best as I journey to find the one who God designed for me.
No, I'm finished. I'm finished.
Why? Ijoma, why? How could you do this to us? How could she do this to us? Knowing full well that our business empire depends solely on the solid relationship between our family and that of the OGs. How?
Hey!
stop these crazy. I cannot these crazy.
Collins, what is it you want to tell me that you cannot say before my people?
My daughter ran away.
What? That is a joke, right? You're joking.
No, I'm not joking.
Huh?
She left a note. This is it.
Not trying to live a little life. A world burns so bright. I want so much more, and I'm not trying to pretend. This is my life, and I will live until the end.
What kind of embarrassment is this? Ah. So, I came to your house with the most respected elder in my kindred, only for you to greet us with this nonsense. Is that... Please.
Chief Clifford,
Excuse me. You just know it. That your business and the connections you always get from me will suffer for this humiliation you are trying to put me into.
Chief Clifford,
Please! You know me very well, don't you? You know me, and you know what I am capable of doing. You know it.
I am sorry. Okay? You and I know that...
Please! Don't annoy me further. Don't! Yeah, Winnie. Okay. Tell your mom. Tell my uncle there. Pick all your things. Meet me outside now. Okay?
Mama,
My grandson, what is it?
another job interview. This time, I'm going immediately.
Huh? Again?
Mama, which one is again? Do you want me to stop going for job interviews?
Because I have lost count. Anyway, I wish you all the best. Eh?
Mama, you're not sounding encouraging. Eh? But I promise you, this time, I'll give you a better result.
Oh, when you're leaving, tell me so that I will bless you. Oh?
Oh, Mama, this money belongs to Mazi Dike. Tell him I cannot do his job. I'm no longer interested. Thank you.
No problem. Just take it easy on yourself. Oh. Oh. Every day. Job interview. Well, may God help you, my grandson, every day.
Chief Collins, I can understand your feelings, but you have to take it easy. You cannot kill yourself. Look at your wife is crying. You have to be a man and console her. The damage has been done, and we all have to accept it as reality of life. What are you saying? It wasn't your fault. On the other hand, I'll have to talk to Chief Forge and plead with him to understand that you are not the cause of what happened. So you have to relax.
Clifford, today is one hell of a day that I wouldn't want to remember in my entire life.
really understand. I do. It's painful. But like I said, I will talk to G4G. Let us find a way to resolve this matter. When we resolve it, we will become friends as we are.
Well, Clifford, I must appreciate you. I'm grateful that you would do that for me. Okay? And I'm happy that you came.
What are friends for? It's my pleasure.
Yeah.
I will be there for you.
Thank you.
And I'll have to retire. You see, the security situation of this country now is not friendly.
Oh.
You can understand what I mean.
Yeah, I do.
I have to go.
It's all right. So, greet your people for me. Get going.
Emilia, I know you'll be wondering why we're here.
Yes, sir.
This is the house my son asked me to hand over to you.
Daddy, are you serious?
With this car key,
No way.
so that you can be comfortable.
Oh my God. Daddy, thank you. Thank you, Mommy.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay.
You both are the best. The best father-in-law and the best mother-in-law.
It's all right.
Oh my God, this is beautiful.
She's happy.
The car is just so perfect for me. The house is beautiful. I love it, Daddy. I'm so happy. Thank you.
It's okay.
You're welcome.
The project that took me abroad is going on well. And that will soon be over. So very soon, he will be here with you in Nigeria.
That's good, Daddy. Maybe just that he doesn't communicate properly. I don't often hear from him. He calls me once in a week, and I don't like it.
Emilia, don't worry. That's the nature of his job.
Yes.
Really?
You see, and I have to tell you, he's not a social media person.
Oh.
He doesn't like much of social media things. But he dedicates his time doing his job.
In order to make more money for you.
Right? Oh, wow. I love me a serious man.
That's good.
An intentional man, because he's actually intentional for him to get me this place. You know, I love him for that. Not a social media man. It's very scarce these days. I like it.
And he's very caring.
Really? That's nice. Okay.
That's all right. Let's sit inside.
Daddy, when can I see him? I can't wait to see him.
Don't worry. I can't just say the exact time he will be back. But I know that the project will still take him up to 3 more months. So 3 more months.
Okay. Should I go to see my baby mommy? I can't wait to see him.
You don't rush now, go chop the meat now.
You go chop this one now.
Chop it.
This second meat.
How you see this one? It's sweet, abi?
Only 1 minute to real brain.
Betty, they go bring. See me, the man is.
Yeah, good afternoon. I dey go market. But wetin be this? Na 3,000 dey here. Mama say na 5,000 you go give me. Wetin I wan use this one buy? Na crayfish, abi na pepper, abi na maggi. You say this one no go reach.
Use this one, manage and go house. Tell Papa make it add small for this one.
Whatever they do like this, no say Papa no get money. No say Papa no get, okay,
What did they worry you? Since you there here now, you don't see any car pass on this way. Everywhere dry. Money no, they only this one, only 100 naira. 100 naira now I don't get it. And the person said, wake up, I tell him 150, pump 100, it's 100 he give me. Now they here, they talk all this.
but they never work anything, but you dey here they chop rice with meat. Me, I don't chop since morning. I don't chop.
Now Helen bring food for me now.
Oh, you tell her now, make she add 2,000, ma complete this money, ma go market. I know.
I never chop, I never get anything since morning. They talk this. Go house, give Papa, show Papa say na 3,000 I bring. They make him add the one way you go.
That man say Papa no get money. He no get money. Me, I dey go back house, so ma go tell Mama say na 3,000 you give me. Wait, I want use this one buy.
I beg. You dey chop?
Come gauge my tire. I won't go. You say I don't dey here well. Ma go find money.
Sorry, sit down well.
Okay.
Get it by there, remember.
Are they done with the interview?
Sorry, my file.
Okay. Are they done with the interview?
No, they haven't started.
Hey, thank God. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. You mean they've not started the interview?
No.
Hey, thank God. Oh. Thank God. They asked me to come here by 9, and this is after 11. Can you imagine? Eh? Has it been long you've been here?
I've been here since 7 a.m.
Eh? Hey, wait. Thank God. Oh. You mean you've not done the interview?
No.
Ha! I be lucky girl. Oh. My name na lucky. Hey! Thank you, Jesus. You mean say they never done? Hey! God, I thank you. Today, na my day. I know say this work na for me. This work is for me. I'm very sure. I'm very sure of it. Hey! Thank you, Jesus.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Chantel Obodo. Sorry I kept you waiting for so long. We were having a Zoom meeting with the MD of the company.
That's not a problem. It's fine.
Okay. I am the HR manager of this company. I was the one who messaged and placed call on both of you regarding why you're here. I must say we have your CVs and it speaks wonderfully well, especially you, Echezona. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations on that. So you have to read this and fill in the answers before the interview, and your time starts now. You have only 10 minutes now.
10 minutes?
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, my village people follow me come here today. Oh, this one hard for me. Oh, what's it be this? Oh, I don't feel answer anything for you. Oh. Hey, don't tell where I go school now. Which kind of question be this? Me, I want to.
Madam, I'm done.
Hi. Sorry. I beg again, bros. I beg help me spell manager. You don't tell why I come for school. See, I don't even understand what they write for this place. I don't even know what I want answer. Eh?
Sorry, you
Please,
can't...
my village people follow me come here. I beg, help me.
I'm trying to understand you. You can't spell manager?
Eh.
Like a manager of a company?
I know if you spell in a I.
There's no I. There's no I.
No.
Hello?
Eh? Bros, I beg.
There's no I in the spelling of a manager.
Eh.
Are you serious? How did you graduate from school? How did you get into school?
Bros, what's happening now? Why you dey insult me? Eh? And just to spell common manager, now you know if you help me spell. Which one be all this one? If you want spell for me, make you help me spell. Which kind of talk this
Why
one?
are you so rude?
Which one beside they rude? How I take?
I'm sorry, I can't help it. I'm sorry, madam, I'm done.
Beg, help me spell.
Madam, hello.
Can
you stop, please?
Do this thing for me now, beg.
Madam.
Oh yeah, wait.
Wow, this guy is good. I must say I'm really impressed. I think he's so precise and direct. He's fit for this position. What do you think?
I completely agree with you, sir.
Good. Okay, let's go to the next one. Who is this? Dear manager. What is the I doing here? Huh? Who's this person?
The lady, Jennifer Okon.
Jennifer Okon. You mean she can't spell currently? Huh? Does she think we're joking here? I'm not impressed. Let's go to the next one. Let's check. Wow. I think she has a very good CV. But why can't she spell? What's the problem? Go and call her for me, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This is I.
Hi, handsome.
Hello, please have a seat.
No. I want to sit next to you. Handsome. Lap. I want to show you what my mama gave to me. Are you seeing it? You are too handsome. I've been dreaming and wishing to set my eyes on you.
I don't understand. Do you know me?
Yes, I've seen you in my dream. In a dream world. That is why I applied for this job. Knowing fully well that I am going to see you. Handsome face, manager. See, I'm hot. And I'm ready to do anything for you. I know you like what you see.
Yeah, I do.
You like what you see, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I can feel it. Oh, you are so hard. See, I knew you would never resist me. I knew it, baby.
And then you burned it down. I am tired.
I've been sitting here for over 1 hour. 2 hours actually. This man is not attending to me. And I'm getting too cold. The air conditioner is too cold for me. I'm going to sleep off. I'm just going to sleep off here. I don't understand. If he doesn't want to see me, he should just say so now. Why keep me here for over 2 hours and he's not attending to me?
So tell me, when do I start?
I will write your employment letter, but on one condition.
Anything, baby.
You'll be mine alone. Always.
With all pleasure.
You're so sweet, right? And you're a very smart girl.
You can say that again.
Okay. I'll just write the application now for you, okay?
Okay.
Just give me a minute.
Okay. So, you call me when you are done for the day, okay?
Okay, but you
I'll
just...
give you more and more stars. I'll take you to Cloud9.
You know,
Where you have never been before.
you know, I can't wait to get more of you, right?
I know.
Okay. Okay, just 1 minute. Dawn, just pick up your employment letter from the HR, okay?
Okay.
All right. you everything.
Call me.
I will. Bad girl.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is I'm gonna give it to you.
You're gonna kill me, right?
Alright, have a nice day.
Mr. Chesona, I must say you have a very good credential. But I'm sorry, the position is taken.
So are you talking to me?
Yes, of course.
So what do you mean the position has been taken? What do you mean by that, sir? Sir, I've been here since 7 a.m. I was there when the girl walked in. And now you have given her the job and you're telling me there's no vacancy for me?
Can you please calm down, Mr. Chesona, please? Reduce your voice, okay?
Sir, I need to understand, how did she get the job?
Mr. Chesona.
How did she get the job? That lady asked me to spell manager. She could not read and write. So tell me, how did she get the job? And who are you to challenge me? You slept with her, sir.
Get out of my office now, or else I will call the security on you.
Sir, you slept with her, that's why.
I said leave my office now.
You slept with her, sir. Tell me you didn't sleep with her.
I said leave my office now.
You had sex with her, sir. That's why I've been waiting for you. You had sex with her and you gave her the job. Leave my office or I'll call the security on you. You are one of the problems we have in this country. And God will punish you. God will punish you.
Nonsense.
What is going on here, sir?
And how's that your business?
I am the head of HR of this company. I think I deserve to know why you gave that illiterate girl a job and disqualify a man with a first class. You and I know that Chesona deserve that job.
And how dare you challenge my decisions? Huh? Leave my office now or else I'll query you. Now! Nonsense. You think he's to graduate with first class?
Useless country, bastard! God will punish that manager, idiot. One of the people making this country very hard.
Oga, good afternoon.
What is good about the afternoon?
Calm down, no rush me.
No, what is it? What is it? I don't have all day.
About 12 don't knock. You suppose don't check out by now.
Did you not see me packing my things? Am I not checking out?
This after 2.
Or do you think I want to remain in this dead room? Mosquitoes everywhere.
But no missing me mosquitoes.
Please get lost. Get lost.
I'm leaving.
I'm leaving.
So
eat your room. Please go away.
Oh, but I don't know whether you are feeling. Nonsense.
Darling, you're not saying anything.
Chief Orji kept to his words. He cancelled the signed business deal between our company and his.
Really? Oh my goodness. In as much as I condemn our daughter's silly act, but what kind of a man is Orji? How can he unleash the consequences of our daughter's silly act on a relationship that had existed over the years between our families? Oh, it means he really never liked us.
The unfortunate thing is that our mutual friend, Chief Clifford, met him, spoke to him, appealed to him that what happened was truly not our fault, that we never contributed to whatever our daughter did, but all to no avail. He bluntly refused to understand with him.
Then let's move on. Yes. After all, he's not God that created heaven and earth. He is not.
Move on to where? No, tell me. Move on to where? Listen, our company is laden with huge debts. Debt burdens. I was thinking that this deal will avail us the opportunity not to just settle the debts, but to attain financial stability. So you can understand why I feel the way I do.
It's okay, David. It's okay. Hi. Madam.
Yes, you're done?
Yes, I don't fix your tire. You don't date kakrakana.
Okay.
You go fit drive, go anywhere.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
you know, they actually told me the reason I came here. So please, how much is your bill?
2,250. But if you get 1,500, I go take her.
Okay. Okay, I have a change here. This, I just have 2,000 naira. So I just have to...
Okay. This one
Thank
goes
you
okay.
so much.
Okay.
I appreciate.
Thank you.
I appreciate. Okay,
Okay.
I've got the key. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Hello? Eh? Oh, but you never tell where I come up for that place now. Eh? You know, since morning, only one customer I don't work for. So me coming back to that place now, it go hard though. I beg, because in the evening. We could meet for normal now, under the mango bar now. You don't know that bar where they drink the cool where? Yes, now. If you go come that place, it go better. Come there in the evening. I don't tire. Oh yeah now. Oh yeah, if you like, come. Oh. Hey. How did they pick this one? Hello? My forget your phone for my shop. Yes. You don't reach your house? No. Oh, you tell me that don't worry, no worry. I know the thief person phone. As you forget, you know say you pay me well. So as you forget your phone here, I go bring them for you. Give me your address, I go bring them. No. I know they do like that. I go bring them for you. Yes, for GRA. Fin Avenue, yes, I will bring it. Okay, ma. Cut them. Hello? Come my shop. Come now. I get person where I won't go deliver something for. Yes, now Fin Avenue for GRA. Oh yeah, they come, I beg. Hey!
You tell me easy, no be the way they rush me. Wetin me rush me? Say man rush
sorry.
me.
Mo go Fin Avenue. I beg.
Wetin dey happen there?
Person dey wait for me there for main road. I beg. Mo dey go na. I beg. Start. Mo dey go.
Like say you don't hit jackpot.
I never hit anything. Mo could dey go.
You go pay me better money.
I know they pay you before.
No, this one. You know where they go? GRA.
Oh yeah. Mo dey go.
Oh yeah, wait, man, start my keke. No say this keke hard.
No. Ewa. Ngwa. go.
Oh, thank you. This is it. Thank you so much. Thank you for bringing back my phone to me. Thank you.
No problem. What I want to use that do not be my own now.
You know, I have searched for this phone everywhere. My handbag in my office. I literally forgot that I came by to fix my tires. Thank you.
No worry, no stress yourself. Now for my office, you keep her. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Please tell me, what's your name?
My name is Ikenna, aka Ike Bobo. Honesty, tube, and tire.
My name is Ijoma. You can also call me Mildred.
Hey, that's your English name now?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It is. Well, thank you so much. Let me just go get something.
No worry. No need that, no worry. Thank you very much.
No, why? I just want to appreciate you for bringing back my phone. I insist, please.
No need.
Okay. Ikenna, right?
Yes,
Ikenna,
Ike
if
Bobo.
it's just the keke money, I don't mind.
For this one, leave this person. This person na me be this. Na collabo with dey. Eh? This person na me be this. So no need anywhere for this town. Na me and am. We dey run things together. So forget her.
Okay, let me give you a small thing for petrol. I insist.
No,
please.
No.
I will make a transfer. Just help me with your account number.
Madam, make I call the account.
Yes, please.
90.
Yeah? But they bring drink for you now.
No. I'm hungry. This is not food now.
You see what I tell you. I say for this country, education na scam. See am now. Person wey no fit read anything, wey no fit pronounce anything, now they give manager. You wey get 2-1, they no fit give you anything. I don't tell you, say, all this thing where these people they do. No.
Ikenna, I felt like killing that bastard. Honestly, but I had to control myself.
Better.
If I had stayed there for 1 more hour, I would have killed that guy. Trust me.
I see those people, they chop themselves. They chop themselves.
Please, can we change this topic? Let's talk about something else.
Hi. I don't tell you make you come learn my work. You no agree. Money there, mo. Money there is my job.
Ikenna, I'm very hungry. Please, can I get some money so I look for something to eat?
That one no be issue because I know say if you get, you go give me. Okay. Take now.
Thank you.
Yeah. I got one place where they chop food around the Iyamosiri house.
Where is that?
Back of Mankechi place.
Okay.
Yeah. That place. If you chop their pepper rice, nah man.
Okay, now let me look for something to eat.
You say you no want drink?
I'm hungry. I can't be drinking beer now.
Oh yeah, nah, no wahala. I drop this one, self go back to my shop. Who there here? I'll call tomorrow.
Ikenna is a very good guy. Now let's see how it goes. Very good guy. Very good guy.
I heard all you told me. But what I am telling you, I know Ikenna is a good person. But you have to come back home before anything. So let's discuss. Yes, I have some money to give you that can sustain you for a while. Come. Oh, just come, my grandson. Oh, Lotawa. Lota. Oh, before you take any action. Yes. Ngwa. Oh.
Yes, babe. Oh, yes, babe. It's fine. Alright, babe, we'll talk later, okay? Where? Your new house? Alright, babe, I'll be there. Babe, let me just call you back, please.
It's right there, my sexy boss.
I know you messed up this file, but don't worry, I will fix it, okay?
Okay.
So what do you have for the boss?
Anything for you, baby.
Are you sure? I can see you are enjoying your house and the new car assigned to you.
Why not? Of course I'm enjoying it.
I want to spend the night with you in that house.
Really?
Yes, of course, my love.
I thought you were a married man.
Leave me to handle that, okay?
Perfect, then. No problem. I'll be heading to my office. I heard the MD is coming around today. Let me run along.
Oh, come on. Not without a quickie. Come to daddy, okay? I've missed you. Come on, give me some sugar.
Alright.
Yeah, I can't get enough of you. I can't even wait.
Dave. You get my share. Oh. Wait. You mean you left your father's house? Luxury life, comfort zone, even your father's company, down to this state to establish yourself. Come on, are you for real?
Ella, please, can we just drop it? Let's drop it. You know me. Once I move, I move. I just want to be free. I need to be free to do things. I just want to be free. Can't you understand that?
This is serious. Like, serious. What?
The vulcanizer. I mean, the man who picked your call when you called.
Okay, yes. Yeah, and what about him?
Don't worry about it.
Come on, you can't do that now. I mean, you just increase my tempo and you're bringing it down. Close this thing and tell me. Just gist me.
I want to gist you. I will gist you. That man, he is exactly everything that I told you I want in a man. He's not arrogant. He's humble. He's sincere. He's not, like this. He's not. He doesn't carry his shoulders up. He's good. And his heart is okay and he's fine. He's cute.
God forbid. A vulcanizer. Are you okay? Wait, because he picked up your phone out of your carelessness in his workshop or whatever, which any random guy can do.
It's not any random guy. Any random guy would have just collected my phone, gone to the phone village and flashed it, start using it. But not this person.
Babe, the last time I checked, you are a daughter of a billionaire. I mean, you are doing well for yourself. What is an iPhone you cannot get for yourself in less than 2 seconds? Tell me.
Listen, it's about the heart. He is a good person. He did not go selling off my phone. Listen, if I would do anything to be around good people, I would do that.
Babe, I think you left your state down to this place to establish yourself and not looking for one random guy you fall in love with. Stop it already. Stop it. Anyway, by the way, how is your dad? I mean your family. Have you heard from them?
No, please. I don't want to have anything to do with them. I don't want to communicate with them, and I beg you in the name of God, please, don't tell them. Don't talk to them. Just let them be for now. My dad, he tells me everything. He practically wants to control me. He wants to tell me who to marry. He wants to tell me who to do business with. He wants to tell me who to hang out with. And I don't want that. I just want to be me. I want to find a man that is suitable for me. A man that I would be with and be happy and be comfortable, sleep at night and wake up very okay. And not be scared. Somebody who is humble.
I know it's funny you leaving your father's house down to this place to get all these things you're looking for. And you expect me? Okay, fine. I will maintain my space and mind my business.
Thank you.
See you, Mama.
So,
lunch.
Who's paying?
Anybody can.
Today is Thursday. It's your turn.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's good.
Hey! Ikena, you no go believe wetin my eyes see. Hi! As I check my phone, see wetin that lady send for me, body sweet me. Wait, ma show you.
Yeah.
See. What is it?
30K.
30 back. See, as I see the money, I just plan am. I go do my Kickstarter. You know, say my keke no good now. My Kickstarter every time I do like, before you know, I don't go get muzzle. Then I go come buy fuel.
Then still give me small now.
Give me wetin?
You know, give me small.
No be you say make I no collect money for hand.
Now even though I don't talk, but the lady get money now. You go give me small thing now.
Hey.
Yeah.
I pity you run like.
Papa, Mama and Papa, they fight. Papa come push Mama. Mama come push him back. He come fall for ground, come faint.
For this time?
Come.
Now Papa they push Mama, Papa they push Mama. Who push each other? Let's get in minutes now. Carry your keke, follow me. Yeah? They come our house. They come our house. Hey!
Babe, what is it?
I don't know how to tell you this.
Babe, that's why I'm here for you, okay? You can talk to me. What is it?
Jay, this relationship has to end.
I don't understand.
I'm getting married. And my husband will be back in 3 months' time. As a matter of fact, he asked his father to get me this apartment because he wants me to be comfortable and watched over while waiting for him.
Babe, 3 months' time is a long time. And moreover, you want to abandon me for some guy abroad that you don't even know what he's doing.
Oh, please, Jerry, let me bother about that. Don't make it harder than it is already for me, please.
Emilio, we are not quitting until I say so. And that's final.
I won't make you calm down. For the sake of your mama, I won't make you calm down, I beg.
No problem. Just that my father is not helping mother. Why?
I understand.
Why are you still here?
Keke na my keke now. And you na my guy. So, no worry, nothing spoiled. I one day make sure say Popsy do alright.
Brother, daughter they call you.
How they come?
Okay.
Oh, thank you so much. You look worried. What's the problem?
No, I'm fine. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, 100%. I'm fine.
Okay then.
What can I offer you?
Nothing, I'm good.
Okay.
Yes, I just came so that we would talk about something. I need your help.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the thing is, I don't know if you have any trusted person, somebody you can trust. My friend needs someone for, to act as a security guard in her house. Someone who you can trust. I don't know, just recommend anybody.
Security. That's gatesman.
Yes, a gatesman.
Okay. Just give me by end of today. I'll get somebody.
But you can actually take all the time you need. Take all the time you need and get somebody. We can wait so long as the person is coming from you, but the person needs to be of a good character.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Sorry if I may ask, how much?
Well, she told me 50,000 naira. She'll be paying 50.
50?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
50,000. So you can get somebody.
Yes.
Okay. So that being settled, you join me. Let's go for lunch, please.
Lunch?
Yeah.
You see, not that I don't want to, but nobody have come to this place since morning.
No, even like we've been here for a few minutes. Nobody's been here. So if we just go for lunch, your customers will wait for you until you return. Yes, let's just go eat.
Okay, it's just that I'm used to all this mama put around here.
Okay, so food is the problem.
No, not that food is the problem, but
what is the problem then? If there's a problem, tell me. I can.
No problem.
Are you sure? Then I don't like what you're doing. No, follow me so that we can go eat.
Hi. 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 I don't know.
All right, I won't stress you. It's fine.
Okay, thank you.
Fine. Next time, okay?
Okay,
thank you. I'll just take your time with the call, all right?
Yes, I will do that.
See you later.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. 50,000.
Sister now, there's something I want us to talk about.
Okay.
Sister, I know you are my elder sister, but one can advise anyone, irrespective of age and status. Sister, I must tell you to stand your ground and resist Jerry. Jerry is a big temptation, then you have to resist. Okay, check this out. He is working in Chief Clifford's company, and that's your fiancé father's company. And he is your ex. How now, sister? I mean, way back, he left you and caused you heartbreak. Now you both bumped into each other and you have started having feelings for him. And he is encroaching, especially now that you're about to get married. Sister, you have to see beyond and stop Jerry from coming to this house. Stop him from teasing you. In fact, give an arm's length. Let him remain in your past where he belongs. Sister, please.
Winifred.
Sister.
Are you okay? Have you gone mad? How dare you? So in your little head, you think you've grown to advise me. No. You think you've grown. Wow. So you think you've grown. No, you're now the elder sister here. You are advising me, even using proverbs. Huh? Listen, let today be the first and last you will ever mention this matter to me again. Have I made myself clear?
I'm sorry, sister.
Sorry for your stupid self. What nonsense. Hey, God, look how Winifred of yesterday talking to me about how to handle a man. Really? And hey, I don't want to hear this from another person. Do you hear me?
This your mouth that is running like this. If you take it to somewhere else, I will deal with you. No one must know that Jerry has been coming here. Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
Yes, sister. Nonsense.
Go check who's at the gate.
Okay, sister.
I don't know why you doesn't
Hey! Look who we have here.
Yes, so your big girl arrived.
I can Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Baby girl.
Your babe don't arrive.
I know.
I don't arrive.
Check
me out now.
Full package.
Abi.
Full package.
Oh boy. Omo, this your dude love you. See house.
My dear.
Jesus.
What to do now? And when you're Odogu for that matter, what do you expect now?
No, this man like you die, yo.
Achalugo Odogu.
You can't say that again.
Girl, you look beautiful.
Thank you, my darling.
Wait. Who carried that machine? Who carried that car?
It's my ride, baby.
Yours?
It's my car.
You've gotten the job?
Are you serious? It's all this package.
For you, congrats.
Thank you.
How did you do it?
You the one. With all this packaging. All this
full package.
Is it for fancy?
Not for fancy, my
Not be for fancy, my sister. No be smart, you know. Babe, no be small matter.
Tell me something.
That's what I take.
Aye.
Roland.
Ooh.
Give him.
That's it?
My dear. I saw the manager here just bust.
Hi, 2 seconds.
Just the wine.
Everywhere.
The wine. I use my breast.
Hey.
Wipe her for face.
Hey, knock on everywhere. Hey, my friend. You be bad girl. Come on, make I go give you
2
drink.
seconds. Everywhere just bust.
Come
Your
inside.
girl just soft. Anyhow, babe.
You're looking it like you look beautiful.
Oh boy, oh, this house fine, you.
Your
bobo like you.
What do you expect?
My dear, that's how I take on get the job. As I take wine my waist for that guy.
You try, my sister.
I get the job. They can't give me car. Can't give me small, better house. Joy.
Hey.
I they tell you.
Too much.
I don't arrive.
You don't arrive.
I be the what?
Now you now.
Latest car
The
owner.
latest car owner.
Latest house
Yeah.
That's what I give her.
Ooh.
Okay. Head, he bust. I believe you. He bust. Hey.
Come inside. Look, I give you drink now.
What's he keep coming now? Keep shaking. He keep pepper shaking.
See me now.
I said I keep on like this.
Yeah. Hey.
He bust.
Wait. Babe, you mean say you got the job without writing anything?
I be like person wey go write something. With this my olodo head. This empty conco. No, I don't write anything, no. I'll be only write fire.
Thank God you know say your head na concom head.
Babe, no be smart, no. He get one guy wey wan defeat me that day. Hey, the guy too notebook die. Over Sabi won't worry the guy.
You mean am?
I dey tell you. He won't defeat me, but I no let am. If no be say, the manager they eye me, they give me green light. Babe, I for no collect that job. Now that guy, I for collect that job full time.
Mad.
I dey tell you, I no sabi anything now. The guy too know, he be wizard.
They put computer for your head.
Hey, you know say they won't put here there, just put the computer inside the head like this. I dey tell you.
My sister,
I really be alone.
At least make you chest for your new car now, your new job.
I dey tell you. You know easy to get motor. Hey.
So this one now, no be God did it. Now your kwekus did it.
My sister, I use a raw body now my kwekus na did it. You expect to make I carry this thing now? Enter that place, come and empty and then they play.
Oh God,
me.
We all know this girlfriend.
see me, no one greets me.
Excuse me.
Tunu, how are you now? Fine girl. See her shape. Must see her shape. Sister girl.
Hold on, dear. My sister and my investment, don't spoil her for me. She never reach.
No be small thing. No be small investment.
She my investment, I bet no spoil her. No carry your own. Can't spoil my own for me, I bet. Babe, matter the ground. There's something I want to tell you.
What's be that? What happened?
Some months back, I went shopping with my younger sister and my mother.
Okay.
Guess who I bumped into?
Who you see? You know, so I'm not good at guessing.
Try guess now.
You know I'm not good. Please tell me now.
My ex-boyfriend.
Eh?
Hey!
You say?
I'm telling you, my ex-boyfriend. Babe, we got talking, one thing led to another, we exchanged contact. You know now. Before I could say Jack, we don't do one for hotel.
Fire they go!
Don't take one mouth, oh my dear.
Fire they go, my girl! My sister, body no be firewood.
Huh? Yeah? It would like batting.
Body no be waiting. Firewood.
Now batting that they see you there. But that will not be my problem. Oh. The main matter now, the main problem now be say, I don't want to do again. I told him that I want this relationship to end. We should just end it because I don't even know how we got connected back. The chemistry, everything just came back to normal as if we never even broke up.
You don't mean it?
I'm telling you, babe. I told him, I said I want us to quit because I'm getting married. Oga say no. He refused. He said this relationship will continue until he says otherwise.
No be smart, no. So what you go do now?
I don't know, my dear. I'm confused.
How long Yoga go take come back?
He said, I think he'll be back in 3 months' time.
3 months' time?
Yes.
Come make advice you, my friend. See, as Yoga never prepared to come back like this, you see this one now where you did with, grab your copy. You said my hand like this, grab her. Make I tell you, make sure say you dey enjoy her. Because you know go see this kind of opportunity next time. I dey tell you the honest truth, but you no be firewood. As you dey tell me now saying they carry you, they go cloud nine, your leg they shake, they vibrate. Enjoy you before your fiancé go come back. Because if you come back, your leg no go shake again.
Why you no go shake again?
You don't want to carry big.
I beg you. Big like no, but you don't say this one a marriage. I want this serious. The thing they be saying, I don't know how that Jerry boy they do this thing. Jerry Anderson, bad boy. Like, I don't know the places he touches. My G-spot. Guy, that guy, they finish me. They finish me.
He said his name is
Jerry Anderson. He lives at Sunrise Estate, babe. Hey, that guy na machine. Forget him.
Don't be smart, you know. Hey, have fun, babe. Wait till you get for house. I mean, I'm very, very hungry. I swear to God.
Just won't stress.
Are they very hungry, oh?
Ikenna, what nonsense are you talking about? Are you insulting me or something? No, tell me, are you insulting me that I should put aside my degree and go work as a gate man?
What are you talking? What are you saying?
I don't blame you.
Okay, you prefer going back to the village to stay with your grandmother. Is that what you want? See, in this city, nobody cares what you are doing. If you're a gate man, if you're a plumber, nobody cares. What matters is the dough, the money. 50K.
You're not even asking me to go work with a company or something. You're asking me to work as a gate man. How? Are you insulting me?
My friend.
A degree holder?
Forget that one.
You go
chop him. Forget this degree, the way they shut up at that. What matters here is that you are going to mingle with the rich. If you go to the village now, nobody go see your forehead say, yes, so this person now gets married, they work for city. Nobody. Calm down. Go collect this work. Collect this money. Ha.
I don't blame you now. I don't blame you. No, it's fine. Keep insulting me. And I'm going.
I'll see you later now. You don't want to drink this drink again?
I'm not in the mood.
If I talk now, man, no buy am now. But I realize you know they get meat again for you. How do you?
I wish your shop, they say that I go see you.
You don't see her now. Now you are there.
They enjoy.
Nah.
Hey, how far your father? I never hear anything from you. You never tell me anything. How far? Waiting the soul.
The matter don't tire me. You don't tire me. I don't tire. I swear.
I don't understand. Waiting they happen. Waiting they really happen.
Imagine doctor say make her bring 500,000. We are keep am.
500,000?
Yes, now. We are get 500,000 now. Ha. Man. I want not tire me.
This one's serious, so.
You over serious, so. I don't call my guy way there abroad. I even tell him about it. Since that time I tell this guy this thing, you know they pick my call again.
Hi. No worry, eh? Everything go do alright.
Sure, that one,
I won't go mechanic. My keke dey there. My key starter get small issue. I won't go pick them up.
Oh yeah, now what do you?
See, me, no worry. Nothing go happen to your father.
No,
eh?
no.
Everything go do alright.
Everything go do. Can I just money go come?
No worry, money go come.
I know that one.
Oh yeah, nah, no wahala.
Oh yeah, now.
Take care.
No problem. No?
Alright.
Go well.
No wahala.
My grandson.
Mama.
Some advice can sound so unreasonable to you, especially when it is not for your success. Your friend Ikenna has a very good point. A solid one for that matter.
Mama, allow me eat this food, please. Just allow me eat my food.
No. Eat your food, but think of it. Oh. Think of it. Because some blessings come in disguise.
These guys?
Yes.
What these guys, Mama? To become a gate man? To work as a gate man? Mama, please. Mama, do you know how painful it is to put aside my certificate of high repute and I start doing menial jobs? Do you know how disrespectful and disgraceful that is? It's totally unacceptable, Mama.
You see all these lizards you see around? Some of them lie flat on their stomach, on the floor, and some on the wall. You hardly can differentiate which of them has running stomach or stomach ache. So, my son, come down from your high horse and take up this job, not minding your educational qualification.
Yeah.
In Anuya.
Mama, keep brainwashing me. Brainwash me. Brainwash me. Keep brainwashing me.
An idle mind is the devil's workshop. And have baked beans is better than having nothing. You know. Okay. So, my son, use your senses. In Anuya.
But Mama, I'm using my senses now. Eh? If I have not been using my senses, will I come out with the type of result I came out with?
My grandson, you better think well.
Ikenna was right. One can work as a gate man and make it big in the city tomorrow. But it's a lot of work. I'll have to pretend as if I didn't go to school. Man. I have to pretend not to be a degree holder. It's a lot of work. Well, like my grandmother would say, Half baked beans is better than no. I'll give it a try.
Yes, no problem. You have to do it. You have to do it. When you come back to Nigeria, we'll discuss about it. Yes. Okay, about the house. I've given her the house. And she highly appreciative of it. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, your mother is good, but yeah, the company is okay, fine. There's no problem. It's alright. Okay, yeah, come in. No problem. It's okay. Thank you, my son. Manager. Okay, manager, I was about calling you. Yes, I would like to see you in my house this evening. Please, don't fail. It's okay.
Ikenna, I can hear you. Ikenna, you said she's a woman, Abi? No, I said the person I'm going to work for is a woman, right? And no problem, I accept, I'll do the job. Ikenna, my job is to open and close the gate, right? No problem. See, I just want to leave this village. Ikenna, I am not a small boy now. So I totally understand you. I heard you. I've heard you. I'm going to do it. I'll take the job. I accept. Yes. Okay, no problem. Okay, thank you. All right, bye-bye.
Who is Emilia? Huh?
Calm down, Jenny. What is the problem?
You have not answered my question. Who is Emilia to you? I tapped your contact from her phone. Is she your ex-girlfriend or something? Don't lie to me. Who is she to you?
Jenny, Emilia is not my ex-girlfriend, okay? She's my current girlfriend. And how come you know about her?
She's also my girlfriend. Oh yes, she's my friend. You can't be sleeping with two friends at a time.
But Jenny, you know our situation. You know how we met. So why all this?
Is that why you're going to cheat? Is that why you cheat? Huh, Jerry? See, let me tell you something. You cannot sleep with two best friends. She's my friend from university. We shared the same bed.
Did you just say university?
Oh, yes.
So you mean you went to university and you can't even spell correctly? You know, Emilia will be so ashamed of you. It's a disgrace that someone that went to university can't even write and spell correctly. Please, I have something to do, okay? I'm not here for all.
Do you know Emilia is getting married to our boss's son? Do you know that? Remember, let me tell you something. Your job is at stake here. If you don't stay away from Emilia, you see your job, you're going to lose it.
This is so funny. So all of a sudden now you care about me. Babe, why are you catching feelings? We know what we are doing, okay? Stop catching feelings, okay? We are just having fun here and nothing more.
Really?
You are here for work and let it be like that, okay?
No problem. Fine. But just remember, your job is at stake here.
The door, please. Crazy girl. Someone that can't even spell correctly. That's it.
So,
you just take a good look at what Jennifer dropped on my table. If I should submit this farm, this company will be a laughingstock.
Chantel, don't worry about this, okay? I will handle it. You can leave now, please.
And the MD has been calling. If I should answer the call, I don't think I'll be able to answer what he will definitely ask.
Chantel, I will handle these issues, okay? Just leave, please.
You're the one Ikenna recommended.
Yes, ma'am.
Did he tell you what you're supposed to be doing? Like the job you're being called for?
Security officer. Gateman.
He did.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you look really good to be a gatesman. You look quite handsome to be a gatesman.
Huh?
I mean, you speak so well, but you look too good to be a gatesman.
Madam, are you mocking me?
No, I'm not. I actually know what I'm saying. You look too good to be a gatesman.
Madam, I don't look too good though. The truth is I used to be a farmer before. I've done so many menial jobs. I've worked as a farmer, I've worked as a bus conductor, but just that I tried to, buy some farm equipment and I could not raise the money. I decided to do something else. Yes.
Your qualification. What are your qualifications?
Huh?
I mean, your school,
Man, do I need that to get a job? A security job?
What are your qualifications?
Sorry, man. I have WAEC SSCE.
WAEC?
Yes, WAEC.
Okay. I'm going to put a call across to my friend. Then I'll give you her details. And my friend is beautiful. And she's got a sister. She's quite beautiful as well. So you just go, you do your job. You do your job exactly. That's it. Don't mess things up.
Of course, madam. I'm just going to do my job and leave. I don't intend to mess things up. I will not do anything to disappoint you, I promise. Besides, I'm a very good Christian. I don't, no. I'll just focus on my job, do my job, and get paid. That's all.
What's your job again?
Ma?
What's your job again?
Chief,
what are you supposed to be doing?
Security officer.
Secure what?
Security officer to guide the compound.
A gatesman.
A gateman, sorry. Gateman, yes.
Ikenna. Yes. I'll need us to have lunch together today. Listen, we need to talk. Yes, we really need to. If you disappoint me, I won't be happy with you. You know that, right? I won't really be happy because I need you to see me today. That's it. Please, yes. Thank you. Okay, Mildred, what's happening with you? What's happening to you? What's happening to you? This guy is just a vulcanizer. What is wrong with you? A demeaning job. Okay. I'll just upgrade him. Tush him up a bit.
And my dad will accept him. That's what I'm going to do. Mildred, you're falling in love. You're in love, you're in love.
Maybe the person may call you to take care of for lunch.
I don't want the importance of my health. The importance. What's even happen? What's happen from my Gatekeeper?
Nothing happened. You're supposed to not sleep now. They drag passengers. You don't know the importance. How you feeling now?
You do one day. And the money I will take pay in hospital we are paying for.
Take.
What's that?
No, 150,000. Use them out of the one you get, so if you say I will take safe Popsy life.
No, I don't feel take this one from me, I beg. Take. You when they hustle, the why they hustle. I beg, take.
Wait, but tell me say you no go fit take them from me, Kena? You know as I take get this money. You know as I take suffer get this money. Money when I take as loan for our cooperative office. Now you tell me say you no go fit take them. I be your father life no dey important.
See why I tell people my problem. I don't make you go collect loan.
Leave am. Na me collect the loan. Na me know as I go take pay the loan. Your father life dey important. Who find me save your father in the talk this one? Leave am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your food dey ring.
I'll leave that one. Not the importance now. Thank you.
What's your name and where are you from?
Ma?
I said, what's your name and where are you from?
Oh, okay. My name is Echezona, aka Agbo Turumbe. I'm from the eastern part of Nigeria.
Where precisely?
Ma?
Where precisely?
Abia State. God's own state.
What's your educational qualification?
Secondary school and primary school.
And you think you can secure this compound?
100%.
Guide my gate?
I'll satisfy you, ma.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma.
Sister, what do you think?
He's good. Since he says he can do it, let's give him the benefit of doubt. Hence, his sister Mildred.
Listen, young man.
Ma.
You don't come here to look handsome.
Handsome? No, I'm here to work. Oh. I'm not here to look handsome. Oh. I can't do that.
I don't condone any form of nonchalant attitude or stupidity right here. Just so you'll be guided.
Be guided? But ma, I came to guide you, not you to guide me. Sorry, ma.
Your job starts now.
Now?
Yes. Before I forget, your salary and your food, all on me. Your feeding, everything on me.
Thank you very much. But, sorry, ma, how much is the salary? Sorry, ma.
Sister, take him to the security post. His uniform and every other thing he'll be needing are all there.
Okay.
Yes. Sorry, ma. Excuse me, ma. Please, don't be offended. Did you say you'll be giving me food to eat? Because I don't joke with that part. It's very important to me, please. Thank you. Please, you don't have dog, right? Do you have dog?
No.
What is wrong with you, Jenny? My job is at stake as we speak. My boss summoned me to a meeting because of the leakage in your department. What is going on, Jenny? Why are you so dull and empty?
I'm so sorry. I promise I'm going to sit up. I will learn. I promise.
You want to learn? Jenny, this is not a school. You should have been taught all this in school. What is going on? I don't even know how I got here. How did I even employ you? God! Hey!
Please, I'm sorry. Please, now. If you fire me now, I'll be a dead person. Please don't fire me. I beg you, please.
God.
I promise, see, I'm going to sit up this time around. I promise you that.
Jenny, my job is on the line. I could lose my job because of this, and you're telling me this. God.
Please, now. Please, I beg you, please. You cannot fire me. If you fire me, I'll be a dead person.
Jenny, see, you're just driving me crazy, Jenny. I just need to cool off my head right now. Jenny, just come to me. Let's just do this right now, please. Jenny, just come.
We cannot do this.
I need to cool off my head.
We can't do this with this.
Why?
No, you're not in the right frame of mind right now.
Jenny, just give me this thing now, please. Jenny.
No, I can't do this here with you. Please, I'm sorry. After work, I promise I will give you the whole style in this world. Okay?
It's okay. I just want to be left alone, please. I have a lot going on.
Does that mean that you'll not fire me again?
Jenny, I said I want to be left alone. Okay? I will think about that.
I don't want to take any risk. It's okay, please. Let me give it to you. Yes, please.
Okay.
Good morning.
Echezeno,
Ma?
come here.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I do.
Have you had breakfast?
I don't understand.
Ma?
Starting when?
I was just checking up on her, ma.
As what? Are you mad?
No, ma.
Is this your job?
No.
Now take this, get to the car right now.
I was just being nice, ma.
Nice for your head there. Take this into the car, you stupid boy.
Sorry.
Stop what? Are you mad?
Sorry, ma. Which airport are you going to? Is it local airport or
The
international?
one your father built. The airport your father built. See, this one, they are now teasing you. You're smiling sheepishly, opening your teeth. Listen attentively. You see this program you're going to, you better focus. Bring your eye down and study. Do you hear me? Shut up, I am still talking. Nigeria is not the London where you studied. Avoid small boys, especially local fowl like this one. Do you hear me? Yes. If I hear any, of course you know your sister now. You know your sister. This man is now teasing you, you're smiling. When you go there now, all these Ogwaja boys, area boys will be touching you anyhow and you'll be smiling. Now, let's go. Hey, now.
This girl is so beautiful. Chai.
Achalugo.
Welcome back, ma'am. What took you so long?
Are you mad?
No, ma'am, not mad.
So I'll have to hunt several times before you will open my gate?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I was having my bath. The weather is too hot.
The weather is too hot. You were having your stupid bath with my own water. Did I pay you to finish my water for me?
No, ma.
How many times do you have your bath in a day?
2
And you
times.
had to keep me outside my own gate. I don't blame you, fool.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What?
It's time to have lunch.
God will punish you. Is that lunch that will squeeze your mouth there? Come. I hope you did not enter my house. I hope you did not enter my house.
No, ma, I didn't enter your house.
Because if I get into that house and realize you were in there, I swear to you, you will regret your first experience with me.
Ma, I'm a man of integrity. I can't enter your house, ma.
Integrity kill you. He's just so lucky. I've dealt with him now. There was a picture there. My sister's picture, yes. Don't. There was a picture here, I'm sure.
Madam, is there a problem?
What is this picture doing on the floor, Echezona? This picture was hung there. And I came back and met it on the floor. Why?
I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know.
Echezona, you don't know.
No.
Is it not just two of us in this house?
Oh, that's true. Let me see the picture again.
Hi.
Okay. Madam, I just remembered. I forgot. Sorry. I wanted to drink some water, so I came in to take water. Then I saw the picture. I noticed that the picture is dusty, so I decided to clean it. But I forgot to, put it,
Wait. You wanted to drink water?
Yes, ma'am.
And you left your cubicle?
I don't have water in my
Entered my house?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
To drink water?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I was thirsty. Let me just drop the picture back.
Is this picture that I really took to break your head? Take your head. I'll kill you in this house. Stop, you idiot. Police boy. Ha! God. Hey! What has Mildred given to me? She brought this boy to come and frustrate me in my own house. Jeez! Ah, gosh, I jump and pass. I jump and pass this temptation. What is this? Hi! My sister's picture. This boy is trespassing. But it's okay. We shall see. Hey, Jerry baby. I'm so sorry I was dressing up, but I'll be with you in 10 minutes. It's okay. Do with me whatever you so desire. You know you have my mumu button already. Alright, honey, I'll see you. See you soon. Alright. Open the gate.
Ma, are you going out?
Yes, I'm going out. Open the gate.
I'm sorry, ma. Where are you going to, ma?
It's none of your business. I am going out and I'll be back in the morning. If you like, when I come back and horn, don't open it. Allow me to horn 20 times before you open the gate and you see yourself outside.
Sorry, ma. When exactly are you coming back? Can you give me an estimated time of
My friend,
arrival?
open the gate!
Oh, this people where I move from, eh? They worry me, oh.
Hello.
Oh, Bato.
Hello.
Hey.
What are you doing? Eh?
I say make I come help my guy arrange him workplace so that today business go boom.
Oh. With this bandage on your head.
You don't they too pay me like that. I go even use and work safe.
Okay. Well, why are you doing this? Eh?
Why they ask me this kind of question now? You suppose not say when two people they on the same page, then they align. You're not supposed to ask me this kind of question.
Hey! Hi! No problem.
Today business go boom, oh.
You don't join me
today
now.
Go make
You
sense.
don't join me now.
You know, say me I carry grace as I come to your shop.
No,
like we go walk with you when no good.
Okay then.
This one they sweet oh.
That's how they sweet.
You know say I no be forget, but I just dey try. Hey, today go sweet.
Sherry, baby. I'm home. Yeah. I'm fine.
Yeah.
Ma, you call me.
Oh, Eche,
Ma?
I need you to buy me contraceptive.
Contraceptive. What's that, ma? Is it a drug or... Contraceptive. Mama, what is it for? Is it for headache or is it for
Eche, Zona, just tell them P2.
P2?
Yes, they will understand.
Contraceptive P2. Okay.
Contraceptive. Oh, my head.
What? Are you okay? Huh? Open this gate for me. What's your problem?
Oga, I'm in charge of this gate. Who are you here to see?
Who are you to question me? Come on, gate man like you. Open this gate.
Oga, you need access codes to enter this house.
Access what?
Where is your access code?
Are you alright?
You need a pass to enter this house.
My friend, open the gate for me. It's alright. I'll make sure you are sacked. Idiot. Yes, Emily. I'm at the front of your gate. Yes, your new house. And the stupid gate man refused to open gate for me. Yes. Okay, talk to him. Take.
Sorry, who's that? The commissioner of police?
This man, are you mad? Take, your guy wants to talk to you.
Hello, who is this? Ma? Okay, ma.
I'm sorry, ma. It's for your own security, ma. I'm protecting you. I'm doing my job, ma. Okay.
It's okay. Give me my phone.
All right, no problem.
You should be sorry.
Wait. My madam said I should serve you this, sir.
Drop it there.
Sir?
I am not sir. I am Chief Collins.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, Chief Collins. Do you want anything else?
What are you waiting for? Leave. I said go!
If you need me, I'll be at my
Go! How can she employ a handsome young man like this as a gate man? I hope she's not sleeping with this boy after taking money from me. It's all right.
Good day, ma.
Good afternoon. Hi, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Okay.
You won't walk your tire?
Oh, no. I am the owner of this place. I mean, where is he? He's the one I'm looking for.
Oh, my brother. He's not around. He went to the hospital.
Hospital? Is he sick? Is something wrong? Why is he in the hospital?
No, he's not sick. My father is sick, so he went to be with him.
Oh. Okay, can you give me the location of the hospital? I mean, I can find my way. Just tell me.
Is there any problem?
Oh, no. No problem at all. I'm a friend. I'm a friend. I just want to see him, that's all. No problem, okay?
Okay.
So just direct me so I can find my way.
See this road? You take it straight down.
Okay, straight down. Am I taking my left?
No, the name of the hospital is Family Love.
Okay.
So once you just get to the road, take your left.
My left?
Yes, straight down.
Okay,
yes,
straight down.
yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
All
No, be
right.
fine. I'm a friend, okay?
Okay.
Take care of yourself.
Santi, fine. I wish you did find my job.
Oh, please, can you just give me one banana, please? Chief, so when is your son, my prospective in-law, thank you, coming from abroad? When is he returning?
Chief Oji.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we're expecting him to come back in 2 months' time.
2 months' time. 2 months. Well, 2 months. It's just around the corner, right? It's not too far. It's not that far.
Yes.
Only that it's too far for us because we want it to happen now.
You
be quick.
You can say that again, my friend.
Yes. You know, I want them to get married. Huh? So that our relationship can be solidified.
Exactly. The way I'm just thinking.
This food tastes really good.
Uh-huh. Wonderful.
You like it, right? I especially made it for this occasion.
Oh, wow. That's wonderful.
Chief, Oji.
Yeah?
You know, Chief Collins.
Excuse me. Please. Okay? I know what you want to say. But can you just allow us to enjoy this meal? We can just drop it. Thank you.
He's not finding this easy.
Who? Chief Clifford, please, can you just allow us to enjoy this moment?
Honey, I must be truthful to you. You see, Chief Oji, I don't like his way of life. I don't like it at all. He harbors grudges in his mind for a long time. Look at his son. He is long gone. He now minds and faces his business. But Chief Oji still wants to pull Chief Collins down. Is it not hatred? Imagine someone that wants to be our in-law.
Honey, you are correct. You are right. Oji is full of himself. And I've come to understand that he does things without seeking for anybody's advice. And that is not good.
It's not good at all.
It's not human.
I just believe we are doing the right thing for our son, Michael. I just hope so. I mean, how can Chief Oji compel 3 companies to pull out from the deal they had with Chief Collins? He still came here to tell you not to partner with him. Is it good? How can we inherit his foes? It's not done that way.
But he did not say that.
Can't you read the handwriting on the wall? Must he say it mouth to mouth that, please inherit our enemies, or for you to know? Someone that says that he cannot wine and dine with his enemies. That any of his friend that is dining and wining with his enemy is also his own enemy. So indirectly, he's asking us not to associate with Chief Collins. And we cannot do that. It's not good now. It is pure wickedness and hatred. It's uncalled for. It's not good though.
Well, I think you are too smart to understand that part. But I will not relent in making sure that I bring 2 of them back as friends. I mean, we all need each other. And there's no need for all these flames.
Chief Oji has an unforgiving spirit.
I understand.
It doesn't go well with me. I'm not happy about it.
It's okay. Everything will be all right.
The earlier he changed, the better.
It's okay. It's all right.
Welcome, ma.
Thank you. I loved the way you scrutinized Chief. It shows you really know this job.
Ma, I've been trained to protect you, ma. I'm just doing my job.
Nice. Because if you had done otherwise, you'd have seen yourself in your village.
No problem, ma.
Anyways, well done.
Sorry, ma. Excuse me, ma. I'm sorry. I'm hungry. Is there food to eat?
What's with you and food?
Ma, nothing, ma. I just said I'm hungry, ma.
Or is it because I just praised you?
No,
You better be careful.
Ma, I was expecting the food. Thank you, ma.
Chief.
You're welcome. What are you doing here? My friend, get out! What is he doing here? Get out! Are you not hearing?
I'm here for her safety.
Which safety? Who told you she's unsafe? My friend, get out.
Please, Chief. The next time you come here, please come with your gate pass. Thank you.
This man is an idiot.
Chief, ignore him, okay? He's just a funny man.
No. What is he doing here?
Chief, he's from the company.
Oh, come on, change him. I don't like him at all. He has a very negative aura. Honestly, he's dubious and it's that man. It's rude also. Honestly, change him. Yeah, he's too handsome.
Do I sense jealousy?
Of course.
Don't worry, relax. I know what your fears are.
You do?
Of course I do.
And then I'll let me on those.
Don't worry, just relax. Okay, sit.
Okay, it's alright. Yeah.
How you doing?
My daughter, thank you so much for coming to our assistance.
It's fine. It's okay, Mama. We just need to be thankful to God for the provision of, the money.
Exactly. Of a truth, I don't know what we would have done without you.
It's okay. It's okay.
My son, you are here.
Yes, Mama.
Okay, since you are here, let me quickly dash to the pharmacy and get the drugs and other things prescribed by the doctor.
Okay, ma.
This angel here, who told me she's your friend, had already taken care of everything. Please, I'll be back soon.
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming to our rescue.
It's fine. It's what I would do for a friend, You're my friend. It's that. You owe me lunch now.
Yeah.
I know.
Okay.
And I called you. You weren't picking your call. You were not answering.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. A friend called me that she was sick, so I have to rush to her. When I get to her house, my phone tripped off. I'm sorry about that.
A friend?
Yes.
Who is she?
Oh, Helen, the keke driver, the one you met.
Oh, the keke girl.
Yes.
Okay, it's alright. I'm just happy your dad he'll be better, okay?
Yes, all thanks to you.
It's alright.
Thank you.
It's okay.
So how are you?
A lady?
Ma'am. That lady will go return her phone. The lady where me and you will go return phone will give you money now.
Hey, I remember.
Come on, your leg again. See the way they hit me, they tell me, oh yeah, sorry now, sorry.
I remember that lady. That lady will run me 30K. Chai.
How she now?
Hey, na better lady, oh. Hey, she try well.
A better one. She try, but me, I don't understand the kind way which they take they come now.
I don't understand how.
The lady they call me these days, In short, I know they even pick her call. When she come in now, she go ask me, where you dey? Who you dey with? What are you doing? You know this kind lady? And them they control people. This time me say, make her leave what I do, make her leave my workshop. Come they work for her. She's going to pay me millions. But I no agree.
You say waiting?
I no agree now.
Hi. You for agree first now, eh? Who go see milk say na person won't suck?
I beg, this chop.
No vex. Na yeye adage. See, wetin I dey try talk be say, na who sugar go dey inside mouth, him go spit am out. Eh?
Some sugar where you dey see na trap dem be. If you watch all these ants where they walk around, where sugar they won't go. Watch where you go see person where they wait for them to kill them. Is it that lady? No, all these kind of now they are type the control man. Come and wash plate. Come and wash clothes. Come and do this one. Where are you? Do this one. Even tell you to wash the other side. I don't want.
See, sure you know say you be my guy. I no go lie for you. Me, I go always tell you as he be. Yeah? You guys stay grateful to that lady. Because if not because of that lady, Pale, for don't die. That lady that save your popsy life. You guys stay grateful.
I dey grateful, but now what is she did want? Now I know they grateful for now. That's the way she want. I know they grateful. Or you want make her go? There you are.
Yeah, chop biscuits.
Bread and bread.
I eat your bread.
Well, mom, come. I
know they inside of it.
Baby, I would want you to make peace with my father.
Baby, I am trying my best, okay? You know your father is very heady. I've tried every means to reconcile us, but he remains obstinate.
You know, I just don't want these things to linger. I wish all this can just be settled.
That is exactly what I want, okay? But I'll keep trying. By the way, I think it's time you came into the matter. Why don't you help me? Talk to your father. What do you think?
It's okay. I'll talk to him. What I will do is that I will invite him over here and then prepare his favorite meal.
Okay.
I just pray he doesn't read a different meaning into it though.
No. I don't think so. Well, I am looking for my daughter. I hear she's still in the country and she has started her own business, a transportation company.
Wow, really? So IJ now has her own transportation company. That's nice. I'm happy for her.
Really? Quit that pretense. I know both of you are very, very close. You talk all the time. So just tell me where she is so that I can locate her. Stop pretending.
Come on, babes. I am not pretending. I haven't spoken to her for a while now. Come on, why should I lie? I have no reason to, baby. You know I'll tell you now. Hey, what are you doing here? Can't you see I'm talking to someone?
I'm sorry for interrupting, ma. I wanted to let you know that there's NEPA light now. So I want to know if I can switch to NEPA light or leave the gen to run.
Hi. This man is a complete fool. You are very stupid though. You are asking whether you should change to NEPA or you should continue running the generator. Are you not stupid? Idiot.
Eche, why do you want to embarrass me? After impressing me today, I praised you and now you want to disgrace me? Just get out.
Ma, the NEPA light is low current. That's why I'm asking.
No, switch to your village people. Get out of here.
Sorry, ma.
Sorry for yourself.
Sorry, one more thing, ma. Is he passing the night here? I need to go for security reasons. Sorry.
This man is...
Just imagine.
This man is a fool. I thought you said this man was recommended by a reputable company. Just look at him, very daft. He was asking whether he should continue running the generator or change it to NEPA. Imagine him mentioning NEPA at this jet age. Do we still have NEPA in Nigeria? Instead of public power supply, he said, Oh, come on.
Baby, it's okay. Just ignore him. I think he just came here to get on my nerves. He just
No,
wanted to get me peace.
I don't like him at all.
It's okay. I'm here now. Baby, come. Let's go to the room. Now you promised me money. You've not even given it to me. You're becoming really cranky these days.
Come on. You are breaking my heart.
You don't breaking my heart.
You don't trust me anymore. Come on, I'll give it to you.
I know, right? First, let's go to the room. Let me show you how much I've missed you.
Yeah, give Daddy a kiss.
Let's go. You bad boy.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you for paying my father's hospital bill and my sister's school fees. Thank you so much.
It's actually nothing, Ikenna. I'm really happy that I was able to do all of that. It's fine.
Thank
really.
you. Okay, let me be going, eh?
Sorry. I know that what I want to say now might sound very funny to you. But I just have to say it.
Okay.
Ikenna, I like you. Yes, I really... No, I understand why you're looking at yourself, but I'm fine, I'm comfortable with it. I can, sponsor us, I'm capable of handling anything, financially or otherwise. It's just that you're an embodiment of everything that I've ever wanted in a man. I've rejected suitors. And seeing you're honest, you're sincere, you're humble. I just want us to date. I just want us to date, maybe like get married, but it's whenever you want it, at your own time. Please, I'm really serious. I need us.
Oh, okay. Let me go first. Let me go home and think about it, eh?
Fine by me. Think about it, it's okay.
Okay.
Wait. Just while you're thinking, just remember that I want to be your woman. Yes.
Okay. Like I said, let me go home and think about it. Yeah?
Okay, bye.
MD's wife is in the MD's office and she wants to see you now.
Okay.
God forbid. God forbid. How can a pretty girl like this, a very beautiful girl like this, be sleeping around with old men, people old enough to be her grandfather, in her own fiance's house? Hi. No, this one is cursed though. This one has spiritual problems following her from her village. Look at the time. It's past 11. Is he going to spend the night here? What are they still talking about? Me, I want to sleep, oh. I want to sleep, I beg. I'm very tired. I've been working all day.
Okay. Take this. Give this to Daddy. And then get yourself good clothes. I need you people out of that ghetto. Here is 750,000 naira. Okay?
What did you say? 700? Thank you very much. Thank you. You're such an angel.
It's okay. Get up. Please sit down.
No, we can kneel down here. They talk with you want talk. I know if you stand up.
Get up and sit down, I insist.
Okay, insist. Sit down.
Okay, listen. All you need to do for me is get that distraction off your brother. That keke girl is a distraction. Distracting him from, finding real love and all of that. So please, that's all I want you to do for me, okay?
No problem. Don't worry. Yeah, you go here discuss. No worry.
Okay.
Thank you once again. I really do appreciate this.
It's fine. It's fine. Let me get you a black nylon or
No,
something.
no worry. I go carry on like this. They go. I be ghetto girl. You don't forget. Nobody feel near me like this. You even want to know say na money I carry.
It's a brown envelope. They will know.
Until leave am. No worry. Nobody will feel near me. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Be
All right.
good. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Listen! When you start paying my father's bill and all that things that you did, I thought somebody have come to my life. I thought I've seen a sister. I thought I had someone as a friend. Whatever you are doing, please, you have to stop it. Why are you buying my parents with money? Okay, you paid my father's hospital bill, you gave my sister money, you gave my mother money. Yes, I know. But whatever you are carrying, please find somewhere and dump it.
Are you mad? Iken, I'm sorry. Iken, I'm sorry. Iken, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean it. Hey, what's wrong with me? Why, Mildred? Is it that you cannot just control your emotions? What's wrong with you? Iken, I did not mean it. I did not. I didn't even know when I... Oh, God, please.
Yes? Hold on! Hey, stop there! Come in.
Come.
Madam, please, who are you? Can you identify yourself?
Abego. She my eye dey pain me ni. Hey, don't be smart, you know. Come. Wait, oh. Not be you again. The degree holder. Where they speak simply and big English. Big grammar. Hey, bakuna come. Sure?
Sorry, who are you?
You ask me who I be.
Can I help
you?
you?
Where you don't know me. You don't remember this face.
Who are you looking for?
Hey! Not be smart, you know. This life not just balance at all. Wait to be get man. You be get man. Hey! I'm this life don't balance at all. Sure? Then they say bitch me. That's how they dream. Oh,
Babe, why you dey shout like madman for my compound? What's wrong?
My friend, Abeg, come. Just pitch me. Pitch me. That's how they sleep. I don't die. Just pitch me. Make up.
Wake up. Wetin happen? What's wrong?
Oh my God, life. Yeah?
Sorry, have we met before? Do I know you from somewhere?
You dey ask me if we have met before. Degree holder.
Babe, you go tell me, maybe you no go tell me. What's going on?
Degree holder, get man. Hey! this life no balance, my
You
sister.
go tell me.
Moku go inside, make I gist. Make I just give you the better full gist.
Oh yeah, they go inside.
You say, wetin happen? Hey! Naibo! Hey, this one don't finish. Degree waiting.
I'm sorry. Is she normal? I think she's a mad person. She come to see you.
I don't blame her. I don't blame her. She's even driving a flashy car. Kai, God will punish that manager. God will destroy his entire generation. Look at this one. Even her laughter is very, very irritating. Can you imagine? She's working without a degree. She could not even spell. Common manager. She was asking me to help her. Fool. Listen, I'm better than you 1 billion times.
I am talking to you. Answer me.
I better leave him all. Leave this guy with you see like this.
Babe, so you mean to tell me that this is the same man you told me is a computer wizard?
Yes, so.
This guy?
I go lie for you. I know him face well now. I know him. I know his beard, his color, everything about him. I know him. He's the same man. The guy where I tell you say computer dey inside his head. Na him o. Him brain dey sharp. He no book die. Na the man, na the guy.
Madam, I apologize. It's a long story, but I'll make it short. I was just afraid.
You see your life? No, you see your life. See where your life don't land you now. Eh? Come on, spare manager for me. You dey buga, they carry shoulder up. Just pay manager for me. You dey do anyhow because na only you know book pass.
You were rude.
Oh, you dey hear am? I dey rude. You see your life? You dey see my car outside? Did you see it? You don't see my well-furnished apartment where they give me. Eh? I mean the top for company now. Not maybe the top charts. Eh? Just see your life. See where you did. Wait, so babe. You employed a degree holder in business management as a gate man in your house.
Point of correction. I'm not just a degree holder. I finished with a first class.
You dey hear am? Thank God say it come out from my mouth.
Really?
You dey hear am? I no lie.
A first class degree holder?
Bam.
So, you lied to me about your educational qualification because you were scared I wasn't going to employ you.
Yes, ma. I didn't want to lose the job. I'm sorry, ma. Please forgive me.
Could they raise shoulder up anyhow? They carry shoulder up. See your life. Gates man. Ordinary gates man.
You know what? Just go, please. Just go.
They go. You don't belong for here. They hear am. They go. You be gates man. They go. You dey look me. You want beat me?
It's and I said leave. Just go.
I'm sorry, ma.
Go mind the gates, please leave.
All right. Sorry, ma. Is the food ready?
Oga, they go. You don't say food they ready. Ordinary gates man. Just pay manager. You dey buga. School na scam o. Eh? Between me and that guy now. No. Who win? You know, sister, don't use breast collect work for a hand. Nah, ordinary gates man.
My sister.
Baby, reach you.
Thank God for also. Hey! Hi! Poverty na disease.
But that guy no book die, I no go lie.
You see that in brain, they come on fire. But you no get shame. They tell person to spare waiting for you again. Where you go interview. I say you go, they disgrace me everywhere where you they go.
You want to insult me now? No, you want to insult your babe now. So I just leave I mean so just I.
That's not for your hand now.
Still they talk am.
Babe. Babe, what is your problem? Can you take it easy?
You won't understand anything. Even if I explain to you right now, you will not understand because I have messed up. I totally messed up. I ruined everything for myself.
You don't expect me to understand. You explain. Wait a minute. Did your father locate you?
I said it. That
That man is a very smart man. I know he will surely locate you. I think I would advise you should go home and sort this out with them.
Please just be here for me, okay? Just wait here.
What is wrong with her? Anyway, I don't think I have anything serious to do in my office today. I will sit down here and wait. Today's lunch must be on you. Don't know where you're going to. I'm here, waiting for you.
Yes. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's the manager.
My beautiful daughter-in-law.
My beautiful mother-in-law.
If your food can be this delicious always, then be ready to host me always.
Oh, mother, you're always welcome. My home is your home now, so feel free. As long as your stomach will be free to contain.
Don't complain, no, because you know I eat
She will
too
not.
much.
She will not. I told your husband the other day that my daughter is a wonderful cook. And she's going to be a good wife.
No, she cook wonderfully.
Aha! You?
A good daughter belongs more to the mother
than to the father.
Wait. And a bad daughter belongs to
the father.
The father.
Now you say that, no be me talk am. So I didn't say that, you know I'm saying, but I said the truth.
That's what you want to hear. That's what, yes, exactly. That's what she wants to hear.
Because you know the truth.
Oh, all I know is that my wife is
Madam, sorry, madam, your friend is at the gate. She said you should hurry up, that the party will soon be over.
Excuse me, which friend?
Madam, which friend? Your friend Jennifer now. The one that likes to wear short skirt, that likes to dress half naked.
What are you talking about? Emilia, stop! Mother.
Chef Clifford. Yeah, the contract I connected you with, that company, how far is it?
Mother, what is it? Mother, listen. And listen very carefully. So, after warning you never to bring friends into this place, you seal. Mother, I did not. I don't bring friends here. I don't. Emilia. So you went home to tell mother that I bring friends to the house, right?
No, I know you. I know you very well. You like partying and living wayward life.
Mother, I can't do this with you right now.
Don't try it. Stop. Don't spoil this marriage. Don't spoil this. Let me tell you, if you ever try it, you will see. The good man made it loud and clear that he saw your friend Jennifer. What would they have said? Have you turned this place into a friend zone or what? Emilia, have you gone out?
Mother, please, I can't do this.
It's okay. Look at her. Nonsense.
I've told you,
don't ever. My dear, you see, you are going to continue staying in this house.
Okay, Mom.
You are no longer going anywhere. You will stay here to checkmate your elder sister's limits, right?
Mom, I was just trying my best. She doesn't listen to me. Oh. She feels like the real boss, that nobody should tell her what to do.
Okay, no problem. No problem at all. You know what? I will report to your father. Your father needs to talk sense into her. Don't worry. I will tell your father.
Really?
I thought you've quit smoking.
Are you mad? Since when? If I slap you now because you've grown wings, Abi, my friend, go and call me Echeso now. Call me that gets man, also. I don't blame you now. You're eating my food. You are expanding. You now think we are mates. Nonsense.
Eche,
Huh?
my sister wants to see you.
Huh?
She's calling you.
You say?
My sister is calling you.
Your sister wants to see me?
Yes.
Now?
Now.
Everything okay?
Yes. She wants to see you.
You sent for me, ma.
Yes, I sent for you. There's someone at the gate.
Let me get it.
No, come stand there. Did they ask you to move? Stand there. You go and check it. Okay.
It's my job.
I said stand there.
Sorry.
You see that nonsense stunt you pulled the other day in front of my in-laws and my parents? Maba, if you try that nonsense again, and if the rubbish you did as much as spoil my relationship, I will wipe your generation. I will wipe your generation. You think you're smart, Abi?
Sorry, ma. What did I do, ma?
You're asking me.
I only told you that your friend was outside. I didn't do anything wrong.
Shut up! I will deal with you.
I didn't do any.
Huh? Hey.
You again?
Babe, you know this one?
Hey, what is he doing here?
Babe, you know him?
What is this guy doing here, babe?
Come on, babe, this is my gate man.
Your gate man?
Yes.
Interesting. Babe, you have to fire this guy immediately, now! What is he doing here?
Why?
Babe, this guy almost beat me up because I refused to give him a job that he didn't deserve.
Beat you up? Me? How? How can I beat you up?
You mean I'm lying? Babe, this guy has to leave this house immediately now.
Was it the same job you gave to one Jennifer Okorie?
Yes, of course, babe. He don't deserve that job. Jennifer deserves the job. That is why I gave it to her.
Oh, she deserved the job, but he doesn't. I see. Eche,
Ma?
Please go back to your duty post.
Ma?
I said go back to your duty post.
Ma, sorry, ma. I thought you called me for
I said
something.
go back to your duty post.
Okay, ma. That's fine. Thank you.
Just look at your life, Mr. Degree Holder. Babe.
How dare you?
Babe.
How dare you sleep with my friend? Babe. Are you mad?
Babe, calm down. That is why I'm here to explain things to you.
Explain what?
Babe.
You slept with my friend just so you could give her a job?
No, babe. It's not what you think, babe.
No, tell me. What should I think?
Babe, stop acting like this. Moreover, you're getting married in 3 months, babe. Why are you jealous that I'm sleeping with another?
So because I am getting married, that's why you decided to be stupid, eh?
Just calm
No,
down.
you chose to be stupid because I'm getting married.
Babe, we can sort
Listen,
this.
you have to fire her.
Okay, fine. Babe.
You must fire
I
her.
will make you happy. I will fire her. You know that I love you so much.
What kind of temptation is this?
Babe, you're the best thing I've ever happened.
No, you don't say
Babe,
that. You have
babe.
Rubbed your skin on my skin to ignite, and then you burnt it down. I am tired of keeping the secret. I don't care anymore. I found what I'm looking for.
Eh? This is unbelievable. Eh? This one is the worst of them all. This girl has no home training. Eh? She can sleep with anything. Everything. So, the Oga now will be thinking he has a fiancé. Eh? A good one. She's waiting for him to come back and marry her. Hey.
By keeping it secret, by
Are you alright? Is something happened?
No, nothing. I'm fine.
Are you crying? What happened? Hello? Can you talk to me? What happened?
My elder sister slapped me.
Your sister slapped you? What did you do?
Yes. She's cheating on her man, so I advised her against it and I told her to stop it, that it's very bad and despicable. Then she got angry and slapped me.
She got angry and slapped you?
Yes.
Are you really sure of what you're saying? Is she truly cheating on that man that wants to marry her?
Yes.
Okay, you know what? Don't ask her anymore. Don't try to advise her. Because she will keep hitting you. So just mind your business and stay away from anything she's doing. She's an adult. I'm sure she can handle herself. Okay?
Oh, okay. But Eshazna, please don't tell anybody about
No,
this.
I can't tell anybody.
Please.
Of course, I'm not a child. I can't tell anyone. But don't talk to her about it again. Okay?
Okay.
Hi.
Eche,
Huh?
is it true that you're a degree holder?
Yes. I am a degree holder. But this is a story for another day, okay?
Okay.
We'll talk about it. I have to go back to my duty post before your sister comes out.
Okay.
We'll talk about it later.
So you are still like this? How can't you be happy?
I'm getting fed up with the whole thing. Honestly, I don't know what else we need to know.
Relax. Relax yourself. Everything is going to be all right.
Everything will be all right. I am totally against that girl. She should come out from that house because my son will not marry someone like her.
Honey, can you calm down?
No, Chief. Don't tell me to calm down. Are you trying to tell me that you did not see loopholes in that girl? When I see someone that pretends to be a saint, I do know. And believe me, that girl is one of them.
But we agree that we are not going to interfere. Let us forget what happened and how she treated Eche. Remember, Michael will still have the last say. Please. It's all right.
Mugu! Mr. Man!
Me?
So you're sleeping on duty, Abi? Huh?
Me?
Come here.
Me?
No, all of us. I said come here, you're asking me? I'm talking to you, you're still standing there. Take this money. Go across the street where those guys stay. Get me weed.
Sir?
I said get me weed.
Weed? Sorry, sir. Do you mean Indian hemp?
No, I mean Morocco hemp. Take this money, go to the street, get me weed and get me condom with the remaining change. Stop asking me stupid question.
Sir, did you say condom? Are you trying to have sex in this house?
No, I'm trying to use it for nice vision. Take this thing and go and get me what I asked you to get me. You're asking me stupid question. Are you mad?
Sir, I need to understand. I'm the chief security officer of this house. I need to know what you want to use condom for.
Then do your work and don't interfere in my personal issues.
I want to know if you want to have sex in this house, sir.
Babe, what's going on
Man,
here?
you don't understand. He asked me to buy condom. And I was surprised because I need to know if he wants to have sex in this house.
No, he doesn't want to have sex. He wants to wear it on your head like face cap.
Man, you supporting him?
No, you're mad. Baby, give me that money. Oh yeah, take. Take this money, sister.
Are you supporting him?
Are you okay?
Come on, get that from here, my friend.
Buy what he asked you to buy. And you better be fast about it because you're going to the market for me.
Babe, where did you pick this guy from?
What type of condom? Is it Goat Circle?
What kind of human being is this, baby? See what I've been suffering in this house.
This guy is really stressing me out in this house. What kind of questions is this? Asking me what I want to use condom for.
It's okay, baby. I'm sorry. Don't mind him. I'm sorry, okay? He's just a naughty boy. Naughty boy. Sorry, man.
I'm not happy, seriously. Yeah, okay. Done, babe.
What is done? Babe, I need to see assurance that you have sacked Jennifer. I don't know what you're talking about. I need to see it.
Babe, are you doubting me?
It's not about doubting you, my love. I need to see it. I need proof. You can't just tell me it's done. What is done?
Babe, as we speak, I've ordered the secretary to give her a sack letter. Why will I lie? For what reason?
I need to see it.
Babe, so you want me to call the secretary?
Yes, call the secretary.
Okay, fine. I'll call her so she can send it to me on WhatsApp.
It's okay.
Oh, babe, you know I won't do such a thing now.
I'm back.
Drop the condom.
Sir?
Drop it there on the table.
Sir, you'd have waited to know the type of condom I bought.
I said drop this and you're telling me nonsense. What is wrong with you?
They said drop it on the table.
What is wrong with this guy now? I said drop this thing on the table and leave this place.
It's not the original one, babe.
Which one is not the original one?
It's the Aboki type.
Can you drop it?
And take that car keys. Go and wash my car now and make sure you wash it in. What's wrong with this boy?
You said what?
I said go and wash my car for me.
Which car?
How many cars did he come with?
Babe, I swear to God, I will commit more than this.
It's okay, babe, I beg.
Please, what part of the car should I wash? The interior or the exterior?
Wash both the interiors and the exteriors. Make sure you wash the tires properly. Come on, leave here, Jared. Babe, this guy is trying me in this house. What is all this nonsense now?
This guy is just...
This guy won't spoil my mood, babe.
So where were we?
I am really sorry for what happened the other day, okay? Please, I just want us to talk. Please.
Ijoma.
Yes?
I know what you want to say, and I'm not interested. See, what I'm focusing on now is to pay you back your money, the money you spent on my father's health. Please, it's not going to work.
Listen, I'm not asking you to pay. I just need you to let me apologize to you. Okay?
Okay.
I am sorry.
Okay.
What happened the other time will never ever happen again. Okay?
No problem.
And I...
Yes, ma. You sent for me, ma.
Wash them.
Ma?
You heard me.
No, ma.
I said wash those clothes. Sparkling clean.
Okay, ma, I'm sorry. That is the duty of a dry cleaner. But I can help you take them to the dry cleaners.
Why? I don't need a dry cleaner. I have you already. What are you doing? What's your job here? Just opening and closing of gates. How about now? That's too small for a young man like you. You're becoming too lazy. So I need you to be more hardworking. You know you love to eat my food a lot. This is the time to pay me back. So you have to wash these clothes very well.
I'm sorry, I can help you get a housemaid that will do the house chores and help you wash your...
I said I don't need anybody. You are enough for me. Do this job.
Ma, in that case, we'll have to review my salary. Because what I signed in the contract is to be your security man and not a laundry man. Thank you, ma.
Wow. Okay, I see. In that case, you have to take care of yourself.
That's not a problem, ma.
You rent your own house.
That's not a problem.
Outside this place. Stop drinking my water. Don't even bathe with my water at all. Most importantly, you will cook your own meal. You will feed yourself.
Sorry, ma.
No, now. You don't want to wash it. Come, let's negotiate. Oswald. Can you imagine? God. The nerves, so... Ah! Emilia, you have suffered. Don't blame you. I'll have to review your salary. Because you're opening and closing gate.
What is this?
I am pregnant for you.
Pregnant? For who?
For you, boss.
You must be joking. I think it's high time we end this. The fact that we employ you and illiterate does not mean you come and mess this up for us. What is all this nonsense? You know what? I will issue you your sack letter immediately. What is all this? Huh? And return the car keys and you have to leave the apartment that was given to you. You have 4 hours to do all this. What is happening here?
You're a very big fool.
What?
Yes, that is what you are. You're a very big fool. So you think after sleeping with me, you're going to dump me just like that? I am pregnant for you. You're telling me, oh, what nonsense are you saying? You're a very big fool. Let's see who will win this fight. Let's see who will win this fight you just head up.
What will you do?
Since you've asked, I will drive straight down to Chief Clifford's house and tell him and his wife the clear fact how you have been sleeping with Emilia, the prospective daughter-in-law.
Jesus. Please, Jenny, just calm down, okay? We can sort this out. Please. Oh, God, what have I done?
You are going to lose your job and be punished. You will remain in shame. Remember, you're a married man with kid, with a baby girl to cater for. Don't push me. Do not push me, Jerry.
Jenny, just calm down.
Don't you dare push me. You're not going to terminate my work here. Okay?
Yeah, fine. I'm not going to fire you, okay? But Jenny, you know that I'm not ready to father another child. And moreover, I have a wife at home.
And I am not ready to terminate this pregnancy. Okay? I am not ready to do that.
Okay, just relax yourself, okay? We can find a way to solve this situation. I don't like the fact that you're angry. Please, just...
Am I still going to be fired or not?
No, you're not getting fired. Just relax. Let's talk.
I'm not getting fired.
Yes, you are. Let's talk things out, please. Please.
Hey! What have I done to myself? Oh, I am finished. Hey!
Sister, I was cleaning your room and I saw a used condom inside the toilet. I tried everything to flush it, but it couldn't. So I was thinking if I could call Eshe to help.
Are you mad? Are you stupid? Who can fire you there, stupid girl? No, it's not only Eshe you will call. You will go and announce it to the whole world. Use microphone. That I'm wayward, stupid girl. Nonsense. What is it? Do I look okay to you? Do I look fine to you in this my state? What is it, Echejano? Speak now.
I'm very sorry to bother you.
Sorry for your stupid self. If you don't talk now, thunder will fire this your mouth. Speak, officer.
I have an emergency.
Here.
My grandmother is very, very sick. She's at the point of death. I was told that she needs some medication and food. I have come to plead with you to give me part of my salary so I can send to her so that she can stay alive for me.
Hi, Emilia. You have suffered. Come, what is wrong with you? Eh? Why has poverty eaten deep inside of you? Why are you so wretched? Why are you so wretched? I don't understand. Who do you this thing? 2 weeks into the time you got employed into this house, you demanded for money. You pleaded I give you some money, part of your salary. Before month's end though, I sorted that one out. Now again, you are here. The month just started 2 days ago. You are here again, standing before me, begging for another money. Can't you wait for month's end? Or is your family that broke? Are you guys that poor? That you all now depend on this common 50,000 naira? 50,000 naira your whole family, your whole kindred is depending on to survive. Hi! You know what? I have had it up to here. No, you people cannot kill me in this house. Before they will say Emilia is a bad person, Emilia is this, Emilia is that, please and please, just go back to your duty post quietly, because if I open this my mouth and tell you word, you will regret your life. Just leave now. I am not in the good mood at all. Respect yourself and this your black beret and go back to your duty post.
Ma, with due respect, I can clearly see that you're not in a good mood. So I'll come back when you're in a better mood. Thank you.
Get out. Thank you too. Get out! Broke ass. Hi, Jesus. Poverty is a disease. What is this? These people will not kill me in this house. Oh. This stupid sister of mine is there saying nonsense. This one again. What kind of problem is this one? Ha! God. I'm done. Shit.
Mr. Echezona, I heard the conversation between you and my sister. I'm so sorry about that. Look here, I have some money. You can send it to your grandmother. Yes, you can take it to treat your grandmother. Please take.
Don't you think it's time you stop all this? Why? See, I'm no longer comfortable with the whole stuff. I mean it. The whole idea is sickening. What? See, it is time for you to come back to Nigeria and stay. What time again do you need? For what? Are you not done? Listen, This Michael is very stubborn. He is stubborn. He don't like listening to me. He had to take my advice. What is wrong with this boy?
Echezona.
What on, ma?
I hope these oranges are not from my kitchen.
No, ma, I bought this one with my money. I slept hungry last night. I decided to go out and look for what to eat.
You're lucky. Hence, I would have deducted it from your salary. Before I forget, Chief is coming again today. Do you hear me? Chief is coming again today, so you have to be of good conduct. Behave yourself, Echezona. Do you hear me? Listen, if you behave well, I promise to give you a big bowl of food. I made a very delicious meal in there. I will give you a big bowl of food. Do you want rice or eba? I will give it to you. Only if you behave well, oh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma, as long as you continue feeding me very well in this house, I'll be at my best behavior, I promise.
Good.
Thank you, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. One more thing, ma'am. So, for some time, I've been feeling very weak. So I called my doctor and I explained, my symptoms to my doctor. He now said that it is possible that I've been working very hard because I'm a very hard-working man. And he said maybe I'm losing protein. So, is it possible to increase the portion of the meat that you give me from maybe 2 to 5 or 3 to 6?
I want you to increase my salary to 50%.
You just started working not too long ago. And moreover, I've been the one cleaning your mess in this office.
Okay, this is almost 3 months now. What are you saying?
Jenny, the fact that you're working for over 3 months does not mean we would increase your salary to 50%. It is too much, for Christ's sake.
Okay, you don't want to increase my salary. No, you don't want to upgrade me. No problem, I know my way to the MD's house. I am going there right away.
Now, stop now, Jenny. Why are you treating me like this now?
I don't understand. How am I treating you? That you should upgrade me and you're downgrading me. Is this a finish? I'll call this or what?
Okay, it's okay, fine. Let me increase it to 30%. I think that's okay now, Jenny.
You and who? 30%? Or got 50%? Deal or no deal? That is what I want.
30% is okay now.
50 or no deal?
Okay, fine. It's okay. Deal.
Say you wise. No, you think you have brain now? Your baby is growing inside of me. Instead of you to increase the salary, you are here playing games with me. You think you're wise? Now only you know something pass. After you have knocked me ups and down, giving you all the styles in this world, you want to dump me. You don't want to increase my salary. They play. They play. To say you wise. Rubbish.
Hey. God, it's finished.
Oh, madam. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, ma. What can I do for you, ma?
Nothing. Okay. I just want to appreciate you for what you did today.
Appreciate me?
Yes, you really impressed me towards the time Chief was around.
Oh, okay.
Nice one. I like that. You know what? I'm going to pay you your salary. You know the money you asked of me the last time? Although it's not yet month end, but I want to pay you that money. Not only that, I will still top up 50,000 naira for you.
Wow, ma. Ma, that's very kind of you, ma. Thank you very much, ma. God bless you, ma.
You're welcome. You know, if you continue like this, we won't be having problems at all. I am not a bad person, no. See, it's just that you don't know how to follow me the way I like it. You know, if you continue like this, there will be peace.
Oh, okay, ma.
Who knows? You might even get up to here through my connection.
Wow. Yes. Thank you very much, ma.
Just keep being a good boy and you will keep benefiting good things from me.
No problem, ma. That's not a problem at all.
Yeah, let me quickly do the transfer. Yeah, done.
Ma?
Yeah, done.
Ma, I've gotten it all. Ma, you were serious? Thank you very much, ma. Thank you. God bless you.
It's all right, my son. It's okay. Yeah, everything is in order. It's all right. Chifoji.
My friend.
My son is returning this weekend.
Oh, fantastic. That's a good news.
He said he's already rounding up the project. And more importantly, I think he's missing your daughter.
Oh, I know very well, you know. That is why he wants to return immediately. Yeah, that's very good.
You were like him then. Well, as soon as he comes back, we are going to begin the final preparation of the marriage.
Yeah, really. Even me and my family, we are preparing already. Every one of us. Yeah, great.
Everything is already in order.
Okay.
But aside that, there is another thing I want us to discuss, which is very, very important.
Chief Clifford, if it is the matter between Chief Collins and I, please drop it. I don't want to discuss it. Okay?
But you know I cannot drop the matter. This matter has lingered for too long. And you care less about it. I don't know why.
Wait. Chief Clifford, why are you still in partnership with him? Why? Huh? You knew he wronged me. And you are still in partnership with him. Why? Why are you doing this?
Chief Oji, Chief Collins did not do you any wrong.
Oh.
This issue is about our children. It is not about their parents. And these children have since moved on with their lives. Why are you still keeping to that?
Okay. You know, I don't like discussing this. Can we drop this matter, please, and discuss something else? Can we?
You know, I cannot drop it.
Oh.
And if you don't see a way to forgive him, it is going to affect a lot of things between me and you.
Really?
It's even going to affect our children's marriage.
What?
Come in.
Please, I'm here for us to talk.
Sit down.
No, we are okay. We're okay like this.
You sure? Okay. You can now go first, okay?
Okay.
You see, ever since I met you, you changed a whole lot in me. I never believed that I would fall deeply in love with you. I didn't believe that. And I was told that you came looking for me on several occasions. I was told.
That's why I'm here. I'm sorry for the choice of words I used the last time I came. The truth is that you're a very good person. You're a nice person. You have a heart of gold. But as you can see, Helen here has been with me for a long time. We've been dating. I don't want to lie to myself. I don't want to come into your life and take your money. I know your father is rich.
You want water?
No.
Are you sure? Yes, I'm fine. Sorry.
Like I said, I don't want to take advantage of you. Collecting your money, lying to you that I love you when I know I don't love you. Helen here. I'm in love with Helen. Please, I want you to understand. I know you will find your own man. You're a good person. I know you will find a man of your choice. But please understand.
Ikenna, you know, I found out some dirty secrets about my father. And it made me realize that I was truly right not to have, you know, I did not go ahead with the wedding with the son of his business partner. I didn't. I actually rejected a whole lot of people. I wanted someone for myself. I wanted an ordinary person, someone I could connect with. I was doing all of this because I wanted to show my daddy that it wasn't about money. It's not about status. It's about fulfilling me. I wanted to be fulfilled. I wanted to be sure that I was doing the right thing, that I was happy. But you know, as they say, you plan and life gives you something else. Helen here. She's a good person. She's human and she deserves love and attention. I'm cool. I'm happy. I'm okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
It's all right. It's fine. It's good. It's okay. I just pray that I get to find a man of my dream.
You will. You will get. You're a good person. I know you'll get.
I will?
You will, Ma.
Sure.
Sure.
Thank you. Ikenna, I would want to support your business with 3 million naira. That's okay?
Yeah?
Yes. I just want, it's from my heart, nothing, just from me.
Hey.
No, Ellie, no, please.
Thank you.
It's fine, it's okay. It's just from my heart.
Thank you very much.
It's
Thank
okay.
you, Mom. I'm grateful.
It's fine, just give me a minute. Please. Can I have your account number?
Okay. 01
01
34
34
25
Hey, Winnie.
Sister.
What's up with the food?
It's almost ready.
It's almost ready?
Yes, sister.
Are you sure you used all the ingredients the way I instructed you to use them?
Sister, I did. Now don't you trust me again?
Listen, there's no trust here. I cannot gamble this one at all. You see, today, everything has to be perfect. He will soon be here. He's on his way. He is close. I will have to check it. Hurry, whatever thing you're doing.
Fine.
Hurry up now. Hurry up. He will soon be here. Hurry up. Now why are you looking at me?
Sorry.
Winnie. What?
Is the position okay like this?
You know what? Leave it. Go to your duty post. Go to the gate. Go and look after the gate. Winnie, Fred, where is the wine now? Bring out the wine.
No, I said I should go.
I said go to the gate.
I couldn't find where you kept the wine.
Are you okay? Are you not a woman? Can't your eye reach? The wine is there. The wine. What's your problem? Oh yeah. Oh please. Okay. What again?
Welcome, sir.
Okay, what's up?
I'm good, sir.
Okay, get things from the boots. Okay, get the boots open again.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Stop that. Stop there.
I don't understand. Are you mad?
Not too fast. Put your hands down.
Babe, can you imagine this gate man? Talking to me like, is he mad?
I said put your hands down.
It looks like the assignment that I sent you to execute. As a matter of fact, is dirtier than I was told.
Yes. Very, very dirty, Michael. Very, very dirty. Yes, Michael. Listen, everything is under control, okay? I'm in the village right now. I'm trying to spend some time with grandmother. Then I'll execute my plans from here. I said I'm in the village right now. I'm spending some time with grandmother. Then I'm also executing my plans from here. Yes. My friend Ikenna knows nothing about me or my family. And I've briefed Ijoma. She has a big role to play. Exactly. Listen. Yes. I'm going to be giving you the feedback. Of course, I'll be working in the house now. We've planned that already. It's going to work, don't worry. I promise you, it's going to work. So just wait for my call, okay? I'll always tell you my findings. Yes. All right, bye-bye. Yeah.
Baby, please. Please, baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Why is there no one at the gate? And what is going on here? Why are you looking at me like that? What is going on here?
What's happening here?
Wow. Chief Collins. Jerry. Right on time. Michael. These are some of the men, some of the patronizers of this bitch, this slut. Now, Chief Collins is a friend to her father. I mean, her father and this man standing before me are friends. And her brother, Donald, was to get married to his daughter. But guess what? His daughter fled. She disappeared. Why? Because she has no respect for her father. Her father has no integrity. Her father has no shame. Her father is full of iniquity. But guess what? That's a story for another day. And the young man standing behind him is Jerry. I had to lure him here, down here, so that the police can hold him.
Hey.
If I tell you what this guy has done to our father's company, your ears, Michael, your ears will bleed. This guy! This guy!
Please. Hey.
This guy!
I'm finished though. Please, we can resolve this, please. I don't want to go to jail.
You don't want to go to jail. So tell me, how much did you steal from the account?
Oh, okay, I will tell you.
How much did you take from the account?
Okay, fine, I will confess. We'll sort this out, please.
Yeah.
Please.
Hello?
Hey.
Yes.
Please.
Okay, you're here. All right. That's fine. Just come in.
I don't want to. I don't want to go to jail. Shut up! Hey, get out from me. Do anything you ask me to do.
I promise
Please,
you.
I promise you.
become a thing.
That's right. You see, my older brother wanted me to investigate the status of the love he found. And I realized everything was fake. Little did we know that love had something for us. The future had something for us. Life had something for us.
Exactly. We found each other in the strangest of ways.
Yeah. And you showed me care. You showed me love. Even when you thought I was a common security man. You didn't let your sister's dirty ways change your mind. You tried to stop her. Listen. Thanks for caring for me. Thanks for loving me.
I love you so much, Echi.
I love you too.
Betrayal I feel, just the price I have to pay for being way too loyal, for loving a liar and trusting a cheat.